The Daily Beast, amongst many others, have reported that adult film star Sophia Leone is dead at the age of 26. She was found unresponsive in her apartment. Her dad has stated that there is an investigation going on as to what could have happened. This is the fourth adult actress that I know of that has passed away in less than 2 months. And so if you could just keep the industry in prayer, I'm just believing that there's going to be a revival, that God's going to get a hold of so many other performers' hearts, that he is going to really transform their life just as he did mine. I was in the adult film industry for 7 years and God transformed my life. And I believe that there are so many others that are going to be transformed as well, but they are in need of your prayers. There is also a GoFundMe if you want to support Sophia Leone. It's listed on the Daily Beast website, so you can check it out there. My heart goes out to her family and to all who knew her. I am so sorry for your loss. My heart breaks with you. And I'm praying that the God of comfort would be with you during this time as you mourn the loss of your beloved.